There are so many different versions of stir-fried glass noodles. Today I'm going to show you my version, which I like to use pancit noodles, but it's commonly used with bean thread noodles, also known as mung bean noodles. You will need to soak your noodles in warm water for 30 minutes. While you are waiting for that, prepare the rest of your ingredients. Here I use 5 eggs and beat them. What's great about this recipe is you can build on it, meaning you can add whatever protein you want and or whatever vegetables you like. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to your eggs, then beat them. Prepare your aromatics by slicing your onions and then chop your garlic. The vegetables I'm using for this particular recipe are carrots and cabbage. Now, I usually make this recipe more as a side dish to accompany like a meat, etc. However, if you want to make this as a main dish, then certainly use a lot more vegetables. I would add broccoli and snap peas and green beans. Literally, the list is endless. When cutting the cabbage, I like to slice them into thin pieces, and in order to do that, what I do is I swivel the cabbage like so you get smaller pieces. Then with your green onions, cut them into 1-inch pieces. Now prepare your eggs by making basically an egg crepe. If you're big into protein like I am, then you can certainly double your egg amount, or you can add barbecue pork to this dish, or rotisserie chicken, or shrimp, or a combination of all of them. Once you finish making your eggs, you're going to then slice them into thin pieces like this. Then stir fry your aromatics and add the glass noodles along with your vegetables. And I use a combination of both low sodium soy sauce along with maji. You can use soy sauce only, or you can use maji only, really up to you. In addition, you will add kosher salt along with sugar. And then once you're done stir frying the noodles, remove the wok from the heat. Then add your eggs along with the green onions, and you are ready to serve. I forgot to mention that you can easily just do this vegetarian only and add tofu, etc. Or you can make it vegan and not do the eggs, just do tofu and vegetables.